Hey guys, so here is the recipe. Very simple, easy, quick recipe for my egg cups. So we're going to start off by taking a couple eggs. I usually take one egg per muffin tray, and I'm going to season them, whisk them, and put them into these muffin trays. Don't fill them up all the way to the top. I would have probably filled them up a little less, but whatever. I'm going to add some red peppers. This is really good for some flavor. I'm going to add some spinach, and it's so simple, guys. Anybody can do this. Just add some spinach. Before you actually do this, I sprayed coconut oil on the muffin pans. And now I'm also going to add some bratwurst. You can do sausage, you can do bacon, you can do really whatever it is that you prefer. I did Bavarian bratwurst. And then I'm also going to go ahead and top it off with some shredded cheese. This is like the Mexican 4-cheese shredded brand from Trader Joe's. I'm going to generously pack on the cheese. And after the cheese is done, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the oven and cook it at 350. Make sure the oven is preheated, 350 for 20 minutes. And this is what it comes out to. It's very simple, super tasty, and very, very good the next day as well. Enjoy.